Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of Go Mechanic Know Your Car. I'm your host Akshat and today I'll be telling you about 5 crucial dashboard warning lights that you should definitely not ignore. So without further ado, let's get started. Now we won't be covering the common dashboard warning lights like the low fuel, seat belt, indicator or wiper fluid. We'll be focusing more on the crucial stuff that requires immediate action. Okay, so starting with number 1. This is the most feared dashboard warning light that you should pray you never see in your car anytime soon. This is a check engine light. Okay, so the rule of thumb with the check engine light is that you should immediately take your car to the nearest workshop. Now we say this because a check engine light could mean a myriad of things, from a simple evap leak to a misfiring engine. The check engine on your car could be of amber, yellow or orange color and could be static or flashing continuously. And the only recommended solution for this is to take your car to the nearest Go Mechanic workshop and let the expert scan and pinpoint the fault. Number 2. Low engine oil pressure. Your car's engine needs oil to run and to run efficiently. If you notice this symbol on your dashboard, you should immediately stop driving. This is the low engine oil pressure light, which is signaling that either your car is running low on engine oil or isn't able to produce that much engine oil pressure. Engine oil provides lubrication and this lack of lubrication will cause the engine to heat up or even seize. A low engine oil pressure can also signal some other underlying problems such as a worn or old engine oil. This means that your engine oil replacement is long overdue. There is a major engine wear, which means that your car's engine needs a total overhaul. A faulty oil pressure gauge, which means that there is an electrical issue and that needs a totally different approach to diagnosing. You might also notice slight knocking with loss in power and low fuel mileage. It is highly advised to not drive the vehicle with the engine pressure light on. Meanwhile, you can avoid these problems by simply servicing your car. You know where to go. Number 3 is the battery warning light. This battery shaped symbol will pop up in your car's dashboard whenever there is a discharged battery or there is a problem with the alternator. The cause of this can be corroded battery terminals, which aren't allowing the battery to make proper contact with the electricals. You might just be able to drive your car to the nearest workshop, but if your battery is dead and the alternator is faulty, your car will eventually run out of juice. As said, the battery warning light can mean many things, so the safest bet that you can play is by taking your car to the nearest workshop and getting the electricals checked. Moving on. Internal combustion engines produce heat, and to counter that, coolant has to flow to the engine block to keep it from overheating. If you notice this warning light staying up even after starting your car, this means that your car is overheating or the coolant level is low. It is advised that you immediately pull over and let your car cool for at least 30 minutes before heading to the nearest workshop. Also, do not, and we can't stress this enough, do not open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. There is an immediate danger where you can seriously burn yourself. Alternatively, you can call our Go Mechanic towing service and get your car towed to the nearest workshop. Alright, on to the last one. The ABS light. So ABS or anti-lock braking system is responsible for keeping you in control of the car while sudden braking. ABS significantly reduces the stopping distance on wet as well as dry surface, and maneuvering your car becomes that much easier. This is the reason that ABS has been made mandatory in cars under the B&W SAP norms. If you see the ABS light on your dashboard, take your car to the nearest Go Mechanic workshop as soon as possible. So this was 5 most important dashboard warning lights that you should know. Do let us know in the comment section below of what you want to know about your car in the next Know Your Car episode. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you get all the video updates from our channel. This is your host Akshat signing off. See you in another episode of Go Mechanic with some more awesome content. Till then, goodbye and happy motoring.